Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by validating basic prerequisites, updates applied, and your account active. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S, find Windows Explorer and choose Restart. This often reloads icons. Once done, if icons still miss, make sure any third-party shell extensions or antivirus overlays are temporarily disabled because they can block the tray from repopulating. Restarting Explorer is fast and safe. It forces the taskbar to rebuild icon caches and often reveals hidden or reattached icons without deeper changes. Now you'll repair the local icon cache and check taskbar settings. Open File Explorer to %localappdata %bic/Microsoft \Windows \Explorer and delete icon cache * files, then sign out and back in. This forces regeneration. Next, go to Settings Personalization taskbar and toggle the system icons and corner overflow so Windows knows what to show. If corruption is suspected, run an elevated PowerShell. sfc/scano. Once finished, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore. Finish with advanced troubleshooting. Create a new local user to confirm whether the problem is profile specific. If icons appear for the new account, migrate settings or remove corrupted profile items. If nothing helps, use Settings System Recovery to reset this PC as a last resort, choosing to keep files where possible. One key troubleshooting tip: always back up the registry and create a system restore point before making major changes, because rolling back is far simpler than rebuilding a messed-up configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.